Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at all of Mattel's marine reptile figures. So this includes the 3 plesiosaurs that we have out now, as well as the 2 Mosasaurus figures. So right off the bat, here is the ocean protector Mosasaurus. It's got a darker coloration with a lighter underbelly, blue eye, and some skin tone like mouth. It also has a posable tail. The tail and the fins are harder plastic than the original. Now we've got the original with this lighter color and some paint details on the side, as well as the fins and the tail are made out of a more rubbery plastic like the body. You can see it bends kind of here. And this part here is also a bendy, rubbery plastic, unlike that one. Now, the odd man out of the plesiosaur group is this kind of yellowy color. It would be really neat to see a Mosasaurus in this style. As you can see, this guy is a lighter blue on the top, similar to the original Mosasaurus. And it has a battle damage feature along with posable flippers, which I like. We don't get that in these two, we just get the paddling action feature. Like that, see? This one has a color style more like the newer Mosasaurus with the light underbelly and this kind of darker blue on top. So we'll put that one in that one's mouth. You can see I'm at the ocean. Again, if you watch my previous videos, I'm in Vancouver right now. And then sadly, this little fella does not have a Mosa to go with paint-wise. But it also has that paddle feature like the newer Camp Cretaceous Plesiosaurus. And this one's from the Dinorivals. That was very good toy line. Very nice. So yeah, there's my comparison video. You can see the colors compared to the new and the old. And they fit really well with each other. I like that. The blues are going quite nicely. So I hope you guys like this little comparison video. It'd be awesome if you left me a like. It really helps me in the algorithm. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.